Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be completing a random prompt in this art book using these mystery art supplies. I'll be unboxing, swatching out the supplies and completing a prompt on the paper supplied using the different techniques shown in the scroll design. Welcome back to my channel Wondera Art. If you're new here, I'm rediscovering my creative side again by completing this book in 2024 and by doing little art challenges like this where nothing's really planned out and I create something completely random at the end. If it's something that you're interested in seeing, then please subscribe and let me know if you like this video by clicking the like button. Okay, so this box was £8 in a sale that Scrawlrbox had a few months back. We're opening box number 90. This is from February 2023. I'll post in the community if I see any Scrawlrbox sales in the future, if you want to take advantage of them. Right, let's get inside and see what we've got. Quite heavy, this one. Quite thick here, so I hope that it's all in one piece. So we've got the scroll design, which we'll go through shortly. The artwork that came with this, which is by Kerry Lemon. And we've got some Canson XL textured mixed media sheets. 10 sheets in there. Okay, let's get the supplies. This looks heavy. Won't be up here. Fluid acrylic. Okay. In white, yellow, and blue. Oh, it's got. I think that's just the sweet. That's fine. It's got a bit sticky on it. Water-based permanent marker by Lyra, and an angled paintbrush by Princeton Select Angular Shader, and then a gooey sweet, which I think I'll probably just chuck away. These are things that I've never used before, so they've put some tips in the scroll design, which I'm just going to try out first before I attempt to do the artwork. So yeah, we realise that you may have never seen or used products like this before, so we've put together a few hints, tips and techniques to test out and get the best from these supplies. We can do things like create a wash, do some mark making and mix some new colours together. Oh, that's really bright, that. Okay. I don't know how quickly this dries. I think it's pretty much dry. Does layer over quite well. Okay, so here's the book that I'm going to choose a random prompt from previously, and what I'll do today is just flip through it like this. A lot of the book I have completed, well, not a lot of it, sort of the first quarter I've completed. So it'll just be this sort of half I'll be looking through. Hopefully we'll land on a page straight away that I'll be able to take something from and create a piece of artwork with. That's a sneak peek, if you haven't seen my previous video, of one of the works I completed using the first Scrawlrbox that I bought, which turned out better than I thought. All right. Draw a map of the journey you have recently taken, or design a tile. Well, I think it's going to have to be this one, design a tile. I could use that square as the outline of the tile on that book. So straight away we've got one there. Okay, I really hope that this doesn't rip the paper up when I take the masking tape off, because sometimes I've had that. And this is really nice quality, thick paper. You can see the texture there. And I don't want it to pick up and destroy the art piece that I'm about to attempt. I might do 2 tiles. And then we'll do the edges. I just wanted to say thanks for all the suggestions on other art books and art kits that you've used. I've written them all down and I'll try and get some of these and give them a go in future videos. I'll be putting a poll out soon as well about which art book I should start next, because I can't decide. And I'd love your input on it if you have time to do that. So I'm going to put some music on and show you what I create. So once this piece was dry, I wasn't really a fan of it. I wasn't happy with how it turned out, so I thought I would give it another go, and so I started another page. The fluid acrylics, I'd never used them before, so I wasn't quite sure sort of where to go with it. So this, to me, I think looks a little bit like broken up pieces of tile. I'm not 100% on them, so maybe it's something I need to have a little bit more practice with. But yeah, these were the 2 that I created. I think I'm going to put the second one in the art book. I'll stick that in later. If you like the video, you might like the other videos in the series I've done, which I'll link in the corner, so make sure you check them out. Not everyone gets to the end of the video, so if you have, thank you very much for watching all the way through, and please subscribe if you haven't so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.